guys, I'm Michael Peterson. I'm the GM Portfolio Manager here at All Star Chevrolet. My job is to continue to give you outstanding service throughout the life of your vehicle purchase. Whether you bought from us, new, used, or you bought from someone else, you have an outstanding service department. I'm here to coordinate between the sales staff and the service department. Make sure you don't miss any opportunities to save money, service discounts, as well as top dollar for trade-in value when you get ready to trade or sell your vehicle. So if you've done any service here, you've had some experience with our outstanding service department. My job is to continue to pass on service savings as well as inform you when you are in the perfect equity window so that we can get you the most money you will ever get for your trade-in. I specialize in this, and I will be contacting a lot of our customers to make sure you don't miss any opportunities to stay in the right position financially and get a phenomenal deal on your next vehicle. Thanks again.